Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your ClickBank account setup for faster payouts, beginner guide step by step clearly. To restore your ClickBank account setup for faster payouts, begin by logging into your ClickBank account. Once on the dashboard, navigate to the account settings section in the upper right corner. Click on the account settings option to access your profile details. Review your account information, paying special attention to your payment settings. Make sure your payment method is up to date and matches your preferences. If your payment option is outdated, click on Edit to update it. Select your preferred payment method, whether it's direct deposit, check, or wire transfer. After updating your payment method, be sure to save your changes. Next, check your tax information to ensure everything is correctly filled out. Navigate to the tax information section and review the details you provided. If you need to make updates, follow the prompts to submit the correct tax forms. Take a moment to verify your account's profile information, including your email address and contact number. Ensure that your email address is verified to receive important account notifications. Next, review your promotional tools to ensure they are set up correctly for your products. Check if your affiliate links are active, as inactive links can affect your payouts. If you're running promotions, ensure that you are compliant with ClickBank's guidelines. Consider setting up automatic payments if it's an available option for you. Automatic payments can speed up your payout process. Review the payout schedule to understand when you can expect your earnings. Address any outstanding issues or notifications within your ClickBank account. If you encounter any problems during this process, refer to the help section or contact ClickBank support. Finally, after making all necessary updates, log out and then log back in to confirm that your changes are saved. By following these steps, you should be well on your way to restoring your ClickBank account setup for faster payouts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.